say it's 0.9%. Decide whether you want shipping to be taxed or not, depending on your state's law. And when you click calculate, it will automatically calculate that percent for them, or for you. I'm just going to go ahead and change that back to 0. But you can notice as I'm going through and entering in this information, it's changing the total of my order. Okay? But at this point, it does not change the amount that the customer's card was authorized for, which is what we're seeing up here in the payment information section. Okay? Based on the setup for this store, they have chosen in the system configuration to authorize the order amount during the checkout process, to not actually charge them, because they're going to charge the customer's card when the order is actually shipped. So even though I've gone through and I've made these changes and this customer's order is now $16.50, the customer's authorization is still only $5 because that's what they approved during the checkout process. If you're making changes to a customer's order and it's modifying the amount of their order, then of course you would need to have some type of communication with that customer to confirm that they accept those additional charges. And I would recommend, that even if you have a verbal communication, that what you want to do is actually confirm or have a written communication, maybe via an email, noting that you have their approval to charge additional money. That way you're not actually putting yourself in a situation to where you could receive a charge back. Now, before we go into the details of how we can actually